good. Hey guys, welcome back. I recently picked up for my Triumph Speed Twin a chain guard here. It's made by SW Motec. Got it on eBay used. It's got a little bit of pitting, so it needs to be cleaned up. But what I thought I would do once I got this was polish it up and give it a good powder coating and just give a little pop to my rear end of my bike. So you may be here to learn how to powder coat. I'll show you what I do. It may not be right. I just kind of figure it out as I go. I have done it before. But I actually bought some really good stuff this time. It's from Prismatic Powders. And I got some samples and everything to try to match my Triumph Speed Twin's red tank. So I think I got pretty close. The red is a kind of a candy clear, so if I polish this aluminum to a mirror-like finish or close to that, it should have the same effect or close as if it was on the chrome base. Oh, this is ink black. Okay. So I got Lollipop Red here. This will look like this apparently if I do it correctly. So I sent away to Prismatic Powders to get a few samples that I thought would be close. Turns out, as far as I can tell, the Lollipop Red is the best or closest I can get. So we'll see how it turns out. But the hard part and the most time-consuming part will be polishing this. So for sake of keeping this little badge, the SW Motec badge, I'm going to drill it out and then re-rivet it after the fact, after I do all the sanding and everything. So, let's do this. Oh. Well, that was super easy. Bent it a little bit, but that should be okay. So I'll just take this bracket off here, and it's black. I'll just leave it black. It's a good accent color for the bike. It seems to be a 3mm. It is. If you're interested in the sanding stuff I got for this project, it is on Amazon. I'll link it below in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and sand the outside edges. I'm going to start with 320, go to 600, then an 800, and then I'll do the polishing after that. Time for the 600 grit. Guess it's time for the 800. So this is the polishing kit that I got on Amazon. It actually comes with Mother's Mag aluminum polish and an assortment of different style polishing wheels that you throw on your drill. If you're interested in picking one of these up, it is an Amazon item, and I'll link it below. Big mess here. Well, here it is, guys. Did a decent job. It's not perfect, but the outside surfaces that you'll see are pretty darn shiny, so hopefully the powder coat will take really well. So I know what some of you probably are thinking. Why not just leave it on the bike like this? And it does look cool, but I think powder coating's fun, so I think it'll give it a good pop, especially if the color's the same or close enough to the tank that it stands out. So that's what I decided to do. So I'm just going to pre-bake this for a while, get all the impurities out of it, let it cool down, and then we'll spray the powder coat on it, see how it turns out. Try that again. I will use my trusty snog spoon from London. I'll do 2 heaping spoonfuls. How about that? I think that should be adequate. So I got this Nordic Pulver is the brand name of powder coating gun here. Got it off of eBay. I'll put a link below. So all you gotta do is ground your part. Up there. And ground this bit. And the sides. I have my compressor set to 10 psi, or probably about 8 psi. That should be adequate. Well, it's not perfect because I effed up and dropped it on the element, and I was impatient and didn't want to race sand it. So eventually I may redo this little section here. It doesn't look that bad, but I'm not 100% happy with it. Let's take a look and see how close it is to the Speed Twin paint. It's pretty close. Can't complain about that. Well guys, powder coating and polishing takes time and patience, and that is not something that I do very well. However, I did a decent job with this, and there is a few screw ups, so I'll probably have to redo it. But overall, it looks pretty nice. And the color is spot on. It's so close to the tank color, so I'm pretty happy about that. If you guys are interested in powder coating, I'll list everything that I used in the description. The powder coating gun, the sandpaper, the polishing kit, and all that, to get you guys started if you so desire. And until next time, I hope you like what you're seeing. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.